Hello, my name's Justin Parker. I work at Compass Group. It's a food service group. I'm a dishwasher, 48-year-old dishwasher, trying to reinvent myself. I've been working there for 90 days. They pay me $15.50 an hour. I've just passed the probationary period, so I'm in with the union now, so that's cool. They can't just fire me, but I've been late like 30 times already. No, but it's a good gig. I needed to do something. You know, I've got two kids at home and a girl that, you know, works her ass off to support them. So she needs all the help she can get. She's a saint. So that said, you know, at this age, it's tough, man, to go in there every day and be a dishwasher for minimum money. But we got to do what we got to do as men in this world, and you know, it's what you got to do. You humble yourself and just do it, man. It's not a bad thing. It's a hard thing, but it's better than sitting on the couch crying all day. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? I'm a worthless piece of shit. I already did that. I know what that's like, and it's not worth it, man. Let's see if this is better. Oh, that's better. It's just not worth it. So 90 days. I think in 90 days I'm gonna try to get my CDL and drive truck for a little more money, and just take it one step at a time. It's not easy. I'm drug free. I've been hooked on opiates, fentanyl for 12 years. Started out with a shoulder injury, got hooked on pain pills, and then the rest is history. I was running. So I'm sober now 6 months, first time in forever, and I'm doing good. So I figured I'll make a video. I saw something on YouTube that said, you know, make a video about your life, a short video, and then post it, and we'll see. I've got some other videos that are the same thing I'm going to attach to it. It's kind of funny. I was driving and trying to make this video, and it just kept cutting out, so you'll hear me repeat what I'm saying, and over and over again this thing cuts off. But I'm trying to get up to 20 minutes. It's freaking hard to talk about yourself for 20 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that's it. I've got a beautiful little daughter and a beautiful little boy, 6 and 2, and they're just incredible. They're everything to me. Their mother's a saint, and you know, we butt heads, but doesn't everybody? So this is the journey, the day one video thing, and we'll keep them going. Hopefully you guys like it, and I'll post the progress of my sobriety, and we'll see how it goes. If anybody out there is feeling the same way, man, it does get better. It just takes a little work and some faith, and let that shit go, man. You've got to man up and believe you can do it. Humble yourself and just get up off that couch, man. One step at a time. It gets a little easier every day. It's cliche, but if I can do it, you can do it, man. And that's so true. I was a piece of shit for a long time, man, and I'm not anymore. That shit's the past. And so here I am, dishwasher Justin. I'm gonna start getting in the gym again. I'll videotape that and hold myself accountable. I think I've got 5 minutes coming here, and then another 10 minutes of those other videos. I'm gonna attach it all together and post it, see what YouTube says. Yeah, anyone can do it. You can do it, and you know, thank God to God, thank God to Jesus, and just stay up positive, man. We can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, man. One step at a time. You got people that love you, man. Believe in yourself. You're worth it. Okay? I'm out.